Hey guys, in today's video we are going to learn how you can add a bulk order form in your WooCommerce website. So let's get started. As you can see, we have a WordPress website over here and we're using a starter site from Blocksy. So let's take a look at the site. Okay, so this is how the site looks like. If we take a look at the products, and these are our products. You can already see there are some features we've added, such as the wholesale price on this coffee table. So you can do all that using WholesaleX plugin. Alright, but in this video we are going to learn how you can add the bulk order form, which allows your customers to add multiple products or purchase at a bulk. So for this, we need the bulk order form add-on. If we go to WholesaleX and click on add-ons, here you can see that there are several add-ons over here, and one of those is bulk order form, and we cannot use it in the free version. We need to get WholesaleX Pro. So let's take a look at the WholesaleX. If we scroll down the website, we can see that the bulk order form and other features are listed over here, so you can view all these features. We can also see the bulk order is over here, so you can catch a glimpse of how this looks like. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So there are two types of plans, the annual and the lifetime plans. The starter plan is normally $129, but with a 25% discount, it's now available at $96 per year. With it, you can get all the add-ons and almost all the premium features. But this is just for one site. If you want license for more sites or white label features, then you need to opt for the other two tiers. If you want get the lifetime plan, which if you ask me is the best deal. So once you get your WholesaleX Pro, install it on your WordPress website. So we already have installed WholesaleX Pro. What we're simply going to do is go to the plugins section and activate our plugin. Great, now we have WholesaleX Pro. So let's proceed to the add-on section. And here bulk order form is already enabled. Make sure that this is enabled. So once you enable it, you can view the documentation, a video tutorial, or click on the settings. And from the settings, you can configure a lot of these, but we're not going to go through all of these. We're just interested in the short code of this form. So we are going to copy this short code and click on Save Changes. Now, if we go to the Pages section and click on Add Page, so we can create a separate page for bulk order. Let's name this page bulk order, and then let's add the shortcode block. And let's paste our shortcode over here. Now let's click on publish and wait for the page to publish. Now let's view the page. And here you can see the bulk order form is working. So we can add products. Okay, so we've added all the products. We can also select categories from here. But after that, what you can do is click on Save Order List. So this way, your customers will be able to save an order list and just simply select the order list the next time they want to order. Okay, so let's call this Order 1. All right, so our order list has been saved. Now we can click on Add to Cart. And this will take us to the cart page. Then we can proceed to checkout and finally complete the billing details and complete our purchase. So that is how you can add the bulk order form on your WordPress website using WholesaleX. Again, if you enable the bulk order form, it's going to be added to the customer dashboard as well. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the My Accounts page. And from here, you can see the bulk order has been added over here as well. So your customers can come to the bulk order, and then they can order from here too. And this is basically the same thing as that we saw in the bulk order form page. Also, if you want, you can add the bulk order form on your menu. To do that, what you simply do is go back to WordPress admin dashboard, go to Appearance, click on Menus, and then make sure your main menu is selected. And having this selected, you can check mark on the bulk order form and click on Add to Menu. If you don't see it, you can click on View All, so all the pages will be visible. Alright, so after you add that, you can simply click on Save Menu. And now if we view our site, here is the bulk order form page. Alright, so that is how you can add bulk order form feature on your WordPress website using WholesaleX. If you're interested in more tutorials for WholesaleX, you can check the video description. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.